the green woodpecker. It is most of the times on the ground. There it is sometimes eating ants. So it lives more in bush and tree regions, and it has been feeding and grazing areas ants or ants' eggs or larvae with its long and sticky tongue. And most of the time when it is spotted, then it is just trying to take cover, flying off the ground into the trees. Where it is sometimes nesting, it makes them into the tree a nest hole, one brood, 5 to 7 eggs, May to July. And it has a sound, keu-keu-keuk, however that is pronounced. And it is mainly bright green, a bit more yellowish at the rump, then black at the wingtips with white bars. And it has a crimson crown and a red and black mustache, by females not red. And it has then black around a whitish eye. And it lives all the year around in Central and Western, a bit Eastern Europe. Spain, Portugal, France, Austria, Switzerland, England, southern part of Scotland, southern part of Norway and Sweden, Denmark, Germany, Poland, Romania, coastlines of Turkey, Greek, Ukraine, a bit at Russia also. So they have. And that is according to the Pocket Garden Bird Watch written by Jonathan Elphick and John Woodward on the page 90. The positions and views expressed are the ones of the source and not necessarily aligned with my own or the ones of the entity spoken.